First time. Alden here.
Magilid lang po tayo, ma'am. Kasi daanan po ng mga...
Siguro, mas pressured ako during the first 2 years of the ball. So ngayon medyo chill na lang tayo kasi all I wanted to do tonight is to just really have fun and be with my fellow Kapuso stars and Kapamilya stars.
And secondly, the statement, hello, love, blank.
Hello, love. Let's go.
Magilid lang po tayo, ma'am. Kasi daanan po ng mga...
Hey. First time. Alden here.